Hey my friend. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zack, your friendly English teacher. So, why do you want to learn English? In this video, we'll discuss the importance of speaking English. And guess what? You can totally improve your English speaking skills by yourself. I'm sure you know that English is the most widely spoken language in the business world. According to Harvard Business Review, over 1.5 billion people speak English worldwide. By improving your English speaking skills, it can open up new opportunities, such as in your education, in your personal social circle, and your professional career. You can communicate effectively with people from different cultures and backgrounds. You can start to have foreign friends as well. Just start to make some minor changes in your daily routines. Let's take the example of Jane, who improved her English speaking skills by watching English movies and TV shows on Netflix and imitating the dialogue instead of her usual native language. After a while, she started to feel less nervous and gained more confidence around her foreign colleagues. Now, she can communicate more effectively with her co-workers in the office, and they even started to hang out together after work. So start your journey to improve your English speaking skills today. With consistent practice, with me and your dedication, you can achieve fluency with my channel here on YouTube. Daily English with Zack. Thank you for being here with me. Please press that subscribe and like button. Much appreciated. We'll talk more in our next session. Goodbye.